Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Rizky with name 20073050. Prodi is Automotive Engineering Education. Subject Technical English. Today I will give for everyone the information of how to use multimeters. First, we must to know what the function of multimeters. Multimeter is a tool that functions to measure voltage, ampere, and ohms in one unit. Multimeter is often referred to as multitester or avometer. There are two types of multimeters in displaying the measurement result, namely analog multimeter and digital multimeter. Multimeter has two types. First, analog multimeters, and second, digital multimeters. Today I will to give information of multimeters analog. A multimeter or multitester generally consists of three important parts, including is 1. Display, 2. Selector switch, 3. Probes. This display, probe, and selector switch. And then I give you information how to use multimeters. 1. How to measure DC voltage. First, set selector switch position to DCV. Choose the scale according to the estimate voltage to be measured. If you want to measure 6 volts, turn the selector switch to 12 volts. If you do not know the high voltage being measured, it is recommended to select a high voltage scale to avoid damage to the multimeter. Connect the probe to the terminal of the voltage to be measured. Red probe to the positive terminal and black probe to the negative terminal. Be careful not to tap it over. And then read the measurement result on the multimeter display. This is the example for to measure voltage DC. This is the picture. And second, how to measure AC voltage. Set selector switch position to ACV. Select the scale according to the estimate voltage to be measured. If you want to measure 220 volt, turn the selector switch to 300 volt. If you do not know the high voltage being measured, it is recommended to select the high voltage scale to avoid damage to the multimeter. Connect the probe to the terminal of the voltage to be measured. For AC voltage, there is no negative and positive polarity. Read the measurement result on the multimeter display. This example how to measure AC voltage. Like this. And 3. How to measure electric current or amperes. Set selector switch position to DCA. Select the scale according to the estimate current to be measured. If the current to be measured is 100 milliamperes, then turn the selector switch to 300 milliamperes or 0.3 amperes. If the measured current exceeds the select scale, the fuse in the multimeter will blow. We have to replace it before we can use it again. Disconnect the power supply line, connect to the load. Then connect the multimeter probe to the line terminal that we decided on. Red probe to positive voltage output plus, and black probe the voltage input plus. Load or the circuit that we will measure. For more details, please see the following pictures. This is the picture of example how to measure the ampere meters. Red measurement result on the multimeter display. And 4. How to measure resistor or ohms. Set the selector switch position to ohms and select the scale according to the estimate ohms to be measured. Usually it starts with an X, which means time, or analog multimeter only. Connect the probe to the resistor component. There is no polarity, so it can be reversed. And then read the measurement result on the multimeter display. This is the example picture of to measure a ohm meter with ohm meter. And I give for everyone how to use multimeter. Today I will measure the example is aki mobil car of aki or aki of car or battery. This is the example picture. Sorry, I don't have the multimeter. This is the picture of multimeter. And I will do measuring of voltage aki. First, we must to reset the selector. This we put in the 5D DCV because the capacity of aki 12,6 volt. And then the probe red or probe positive we put in terminal positive of aki, and then probe black or probe negative we put in terminal negative of aki, and we read how the voltage in the display. If display in 12,6 volt, this is the voltage of aki. And then information for me, sorry but if I get some wrong, for give the information. This is all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.